In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Substack on Instagram. We'll walk through how to grab your Substack profile link, add it to your Instagram bio, and mention a few other ways you can share your work with your audience. By the end, you'll have a clear path for sending Instagram followers straight to your Substack. First, log into your Substack account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Dashboard. Click on that. The dashboard is your main hub where you manage posts, settings, and your profile. Inside the dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, choose the option that takes you to your profile. This is your public Substack profile page, the one you'll want people to visit from Instagram. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the More Options icon. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on that icon and you'll see a small menu appear. From that menu, select Copy Link. This copies the URL of your Substack profile to your clipboard, so you can easily paste it elsewhere. Next, head over to Instagram. On the left panel or in the main navigation if you're on mobile, tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page. Once you're there, tap Edit Profile. This is where you control how your profile looks to visitors. Inside the profile editor, you'll see a field labeled Website. This is the perfect place to paste your Substack profile link. Go ahead and paste the link you copied from Substack into this website field. One important note: some Instagram features, including editing certain fields, work best in the mobile app rather than a desktop browser. So if you don't see the option or can't paste the link properly on your computer, switch to the Instagram app on your phone and try again there. Besides adding the link to your bio, you can also share your Substack on Instagram through stories, story highlights, and regular posts. For example, you can post a screenshot of your latest newsletter, add a call to action, and direct people to the link in your bio or to any link stickers available in stories. This helps you consistently remind your followers where they can read more of your work.